Welcome dear students. Now we discuss about another section, homogeneous form or homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous form or homogeneous differential equation. F of tx comma ty. F of tx comma ty equal to t power n f of x comma y. Here this is function function of tx comma function of ty. Okay, function of tx comma function of ty. F of x comma y is given your equation. புரியுதா? one equation f of xy formula தந்திருப்பான். Put the value tx comma ty. You put the value tx comma ty, then you take outside, then you t take outside. அப்படி t காமனா வெளியே எடுக்க முடிஞ்சா homogeneous method apply பண்ணலாம். You applied homogeneous method. tx ty apply பண்ணிட்டு tn காமனா வெளியே எடுக்க முடிஞ்சா homogeneous method apply பண்ணலாம். This is the definition of homogeneous. F of tx comma ty equal to t power n f of x comma y. Now we discuss about example 10.17 solve x square minus 3y square dx plus 2xy dy equal to 0. 2xy dy equal to 0. First you identify this equation solved by homogeneous method. First you identify this equation solved by homogeneous method. How to identify this equation solved by homogeneous method? f of x நான் எழுதக்கூடிய லைன் நீ எழுதனா f of x comma y, let f of x comma y equal to x square minus 3y square dy plus 2xy this is dx 2xy dy. F of in Euler homogeneous equation f of tx comma ty. F of tx comma ty that is equal to t square x square minus 3t square y square into dx plus 2tx ty into dy. Okay, you apply t in all variables. Okay, all variables எல்லா வேரியபிளையும் t என்ன செய்து அப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. Then t square is common, take outside. Here t into t square, t into t square. So t square common to take outside. Then உள்ளாடி ஏதாச்சும் t இருக்கா? இல்ல. உள்ளாடி என்ன இல்ல? t இல்ல. So using homogeneous method. இந்த ரெண்டு லைனும் நம்ம எழுதண்டா மைண்ட்ல வச்சு நீ என்ன செய்யணும் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். இது ஹோமோஜீனியஸ்ல அப்ளை பண்ண முடியுமா இல்லையா அதை நீ மைண்ட்ல வச்சு என்ன பண்ணணும் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஓகே, ஸோ யூ அப்ளை திஸ் ஹோமோஜீனியஸ் மெத்தட். ஓகே, நவ் கண்டினியூ டு சால்வ் இன் ஹோமோஜீனியஸ் மெத்தட். எப்படி ஹோமோஜீனியஸ் மெத்தட் அப்ளை பண்ணணும்னு பாரு. எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் மைனஸ் 3y ஸ்கொயர் dx equal to minus 2xy dy. Then dy by dx. dy இதா இருக்கு. dy by dx equal to dy by dx. dx goes to denominator. Okay. Then x square minus 3y square divided by 2xy. கவனமாக dy dx goes to denominator of right hand side. Okay, side മാറ്റി എഴുതാതെ പ്രശ്നമില്ല. റൈറ്റ് ഹാൻഡ് സൈഡ് dy by dx. Then 2xy goes to cross multiplication of left hand side. Okay, left hand side है ना, அப்படியே cross multiply பண்ணி எழுதிக்க dy by dx. Then y equal to vx. இங்க homogeneous method அப்ளை ஆகும். homogeneous method இப்படி எடுக்க முடிஞ்சா put y equal to vx. y equal to vx. Then dy by dx equal to uv method. V into x, differentiation of x value is 1 plus x into dv by dx. Apply this value in equation number 1. 1 implies apply the value dy by dx, v plus x into dv by dx equal to minus x square minus y value vx. Okay, apply the value y 3 v square x square divided by 2x into y value vx. Okay, y value என்ன செய்யணும், apply பண்ணணும். That is equal to x square take outside minus of x square take outside minus x square take outside, so you get the answer 1 minus 3v square. Clear dana? X square common take outside, you get the answer 1 minus 3v square divided by 2vx square. x square is cancel. x square is cancel. That is equal to minus is multiplied to inside 3v square minus 1 divided by 2v. Okay, divided by 2v. Next, this v goes to here x dv by dx. This v goes to right hand side, so minus v. இங்க இருந்து x square cancel, then minus is multiplying inside the bracket, so you get plus 3v square minus 1 divided by 2v. That is equal to 3v square minus 1 minus, take LCM, 2v square divided by 2v. Okay, 2v. Then 3v square minus v square, you get plus v square minus 1 by 2v. Okay, clear ஆச்சுதா? என்ன பண்ண y equal to vx, then differentiation of vx, uv method, then apply these values in equation number 1. Value x square is common, take outside, x square cancel, then v goes to left hand side, take LCM, you get this answer. Then variable separable method. Now using variable separable method, dv இதனுடைய x dv by dx value, then variable separable method dv divided by 2v goes to numerator. Okay, 2v goes to numerator. One day cross multiplication, 2v goes to numerator, v square minus 1 goes to denominator equal to dx, cross multiplication dx by x, dx by x, okay, dx by x. Denominator differentiation, numerator. Denominator differentiation having numerator. So you write taking integration, denominator differentiation numerator irunda, integration value log v square minus 1. Denominator v square, differentiation of v square is 2v, okay, 2v dv. So integrating both sides, you get log v square minus 1 log v square minus 1 equal to log x plus log c, okay, log x plus log c. That is equal to log x plus log c. Log x goes to left hand side, implies log left hand side. So log a minus log b. Log a minus b equal to log b square minus 1 by x. Okay, x. Log a minus b equal to log b square minus 1 by x plus equal to log c. Take exponential. So you get v square minus 1 by x equal to c. புரியுதா? இதை இங்கே கொண்டு வரும்போது உனக்கு என்ன வரும்? log a minus b. A minus b is a by b. So take exponential. V square minus 1 by x equal to c. Put b equal to, what is the value of b? Y by x. Put b equal to y by x. Therefore, y square by x square minus 1 divided by x equal to c. X equal to c. In book answer, y square minus x square equal to kx. Okay, y square minus x square equal to kx. Y square minus, take LCM, x square, y square minus x square equal to kx. You get the answer. Take LCM, then you get the answer.